All right, so the base of the price, where price starts to move up from, is referred to as the support level. So in a typical example is this. So this is the support. So if you're currently, like maybe you're in the house right now, the floor where you're putting your leg right now, oh, let's take that as the support level. All right. And then the rooftop, probably your ceiling or whatever, that's your resistance point. So for example, no matter how great you are at jumping, like no matter how powerful you jump, once your head hits the roof or the deck of where you are, definitely you're going to come back down, right? But except you have like a drilling machine or a very strong force to break off the roof above your head, and that pushes you above. So see that that's how support and resistance level also have. Excuse me. So look at this. This is your support right now. And what kind of market is this? What kind of trend is this? Obviously, this is a clear consolidating market because price is only coming, ranging, just within a level. It's not really going up, it's not breaking above this level or breaking beneath this level. So this is a clear consolidation that I'm using for an example. All right, this is what support and resistance looks like. Let me quickly show you on a chart a typical support and resistance level. Says my internet connection is unstable. Wow. There are usually many of them, at many levels like that in the market, no doubt. But for this example, I'll just want you to put your attention and focus on this area that I'll mark out. All right, so you can see the support level here. This was the place where price got to. Price couldn't go further down. Support area is where buyers are strong, right? Then price obviously went up, came to the resistance point, pushed back down, right? Came back to this resistance point. Obviously now this has become a support also. So look at this support. This is a resistance point, support, resistance. And then at this point, the support level got broken. And then obviously this became a new support level. And then look at this resistance. Price broke above this resistance, right? And then it has become a new support. I really hope you do understand how fluid it is. When a support level gets broken, all right, if this is the support and then price breaks through the support area, this support would become a resistance point. The next time price is coming up, that's where price will come to. On the other hand, if this is your resistance and price breaks above the resistance this way, right? Price breaks above, like you can see, man. This now becomes the new support level when price is coming down. The videos I did in the folder I sent you would be able to do a lot of justice to that. And also you might just watch this video over and over again. Once you have the recorded version, you would understand a bit more. So when price breaks above a support level, beneath a support level, that support will become a resistance point. This is a typical example. Let me look for live examples here. See this area. Look at, this was the resistance point. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Eventually, price broke above that resistance, and then it became what? Support, support, support. All right. So you should understand, even though the chart is like the market is continuously evolving, it's a moving train. So you need to be able to understand, okay, what's happening right now? Should it change? Is it changing? Is it breaking? This was the resistance point here. Resistance all the way, resistance. But eventually the resistance point become broken, and then it became what? Support. And what happens from support level? Price would have enough buying force to push. So in this is a clear trend. And what kind of trend is it? It's very, very obvious. What kind of trend is it? You can clearly see how the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Sorry about my drawing. You can clearly see how the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. So yeah, thanks for the feedback, Joe. Yeah, in an uptrend, just understand, right? The chances or the probability of your resistance levels being broken, they are usually very, very high. All right, they are usually very, very high. That's why I would say it again that when the market is trending to the upside, just make sure you are mentally focused on the buy opportunities. All right, make sure you are mentally focused on the opportunities to buy, because that's where you would be able to like make more money in the market. Yeah, if you have questions, please let me know so I can treat your questions immediately. Is there something you want me to clarify before I go on to the next thing? Okay, good, no questions. All right, so let me mark out other examples. Let's treat other examples. This is gold. So it looks like if we look at gold from, let's come over here. If we look at it from where I put this line all the way here, obviously you can see that gold is selling, right? The structure is a downtrend. So how then do you spot and place your support and resistance levels would be very, very important, because, and then even the expectation you want to have on this time frame, that we're looking at. Right? Can you see how it's forming? You won't be able to mark out all the levels, right? All the support and resistance on the trade. You won't be able to mark out everything, or else the chart will just look too messy. All right. I could just use this to mark it. And obviously, it doesn't mean that price will come back to retest all the levels and all the areas also, but we only trade the retested areas. If you observe where I put my lines either above or beneath the body of the candles. Always respect the body of the candles. They are very, very important. You can see this also. Of course, the week, important. Like in this case, we cut across these two body of these candles, but if you check out most body of the candles were either above or beneath our line. All right, so that's how to draw a typical support and resistance level, because the body of the candle is very, very, very important. It shows where price opens and where price closes, and you must pay attention to that as you go on in the market. So for today right now, one expectation to have of gold right now, either we expect that price breaks this new support level. Of course, since it's trending down on this time frame, you can expect price to break beneath this level. All right, with the body of the candle closing beneath the line. And then when we see a retest and then a sell entry formation, like a rejection candle or something, we can take a sell. And where do we take the sell to? You have to look to the far left now to go know where the next support level is, because that's where price will go to next. So we go further down to the left to look for it. Obviously, it's here. This is the next area. If price should break this current area, price is coming to this area. I want to put it just beneath the body or something. Good. So yeah, the range is not really much, but if this level gets broken, this is the next place price is coming to, and that's how you take your trades. Especially when you're scalping, you just take trades from one level to the other, one level to the other, one level to the other. I already analyzed this, and I think I shared it with the voice notes on the group already. But let me do the analysis again. If you have any pair you're looking out for the day also, we could just analyze it together. So all right, so looking at GBP, JPY, obviously the buy trend is really predominant. So it means that the support level is where we're expecting price to come back to. Even though there's a sell, we're expecting price to come back to a support level and respect that level. And this is one support level now. That's where price is. Understood? So this is how I will be looking at the market. Of course, if price should break this level, then we can say it's coming to this level. But you don't want to mark out all the scenarios. We just want to look out for where can I make my trade, make some money for the day, and then we'll continue trading because the market will be there. There will be other opportunities on other days. So yeah, I want to mark it better on the lower time frame. Okay, good. So yeah, this is what I have. I'm not going to buy or sell right now. I can buy if price breaks above this level. All right. If price breaks above this level, we can take a buy. And obviously we're buying to where this level. There's enough range for price to get there. On the other hand, if price breaks beneath this level, excuse me, we can look out for a sell opportunity. And nothing more, we just have to wait. So I think at this point, I would stop the recording so it doesn't become excessively too long. And then we'll just wait to watch the trade. Let's just watch what will happen, okay? We'll just watch for a few minutes, maybe a few 30 minutes candle close.